So yeah, this is the second episode of Just a Little Code. Basically, these videos are little code snippets, little parts of code that I think are not worthy of a full release, but can be handy for other people to use. This one was requested many times and is how to do a YouTube plays in the same way that you do a Twitch plays. I think I made that video a couple of years ago, for Twitch that is. So now I thought let's write a little bit for YouTube plays. So make sure to download the repository and follow the instructions for deployment. So you need to install the dependencies by npm install, and here's a little description on how to use it. So what this little script does is it reads the chat. The chat message gets compared to a word, and if it matches that word, it will console log what it has received, and then it will do an action. So in this case, I'm gonna do a forward message because I'm gonna use Rocket League as an example. I'm gonna hold the keyboard down 100 milliseconds for down, and then after 100 milliseconds I will have the button up again. So go through the code, see what happens, and if you only need to tap a key, so for instance for enter and for jump, because jump I only want to quickly tap the J button, you can use key tap. For full description on robot.js, you can go to this link, what is in the code. So let's get started. So to get started, you need to start a live stream. And then you will need the live stream ID, and that's in the URL. So we're just gonna copy this, and we're gonna paste it into line 5 where it says insert live ID. And we're gonna save it. And now when we run the code by typing node index.js, it will say that it's connected and watching this chat. So let's try out some Rocket League. Obviously you need the game selected, so I'm gonna type on my tablet the different commands that you can see in the left corner. So let's try forward. You see that it goes forward, and if I do again forward, and again, just to get that boost, you know. And let's try. Let's try backwards. And jump. Yeah, that's it. You can download the code on my GitHub. I will leave a link in the description. Also, if you have any questions, I sometimes drop into the Discord. Just tag me, Sumatras, and that's it. Have fun.